What's up, guys? It is December. It is super windy up here. Winds are blowing around 40 miles an hour. We are going to be cleaning some solar panels. As you can see and probably hear, the winds are up there. So we are going to be cleaning these here. People ask, when is the best time of day to clean solar panels? It is 12 noon, sun is out, heavy winds, and we're going to clean it. Doesn't matter if you're in the UK where it's always, foggy or overcast. If you're in sunny Australia where it is hot, you can clean these panels pretty much almost any time. The preferred time is to be in the morning when it is cooler. That's when you probably want to clean them, but sometimes you can't do that. Canada, it's always cold up in Canada, and you got to clean them in cold temperatures. But for right here, these panels are really bad, really dirty, and like I said, it is 12 noon, winds are blowing, extremely windy up here, as you guys probably can hear, and we're going to get this nice and clean and get this done. I have all these panels to clean right here. I got these panels to clean right here. Also these panels here, I'm going to use the Solartech C1000. This will clean these panels. I'm going to go over these about 3 or 4 times since they're so dirty. And I'll have all this done in literally 10-15 minutes, pretty much. So with that being said, I just wanted to bring this out to you as far as cleaning the solar panels, getting that taken care of, and what have you. All right, guys, any time of day is pretty much good. Clean them in the evening where it's a little cooler, or early in the morning is probably your best time. As you can see, Susan over there, freezing, she says. She is cold. So anyways, I better go because I got to get this stuff done. So guys, thanks for watching our videos. We will catch you on the next video, and these will all be clean in a few minutes. All right, guys, catch you on the next video. All right, we are all done here. Here are the panels as they are finished. So these panels are nice and clean now. Same thing with these up here, all nice and clean. This one had a bird issue, so they went ahead and put the bird proofing material. Also has a sensor here for the birds, to keep the birds away, and also a little spinner to keep the birds away, all the pigeons. So anyways, this job is all done. Winds let up a little bit, about maybe 25 miles an hour now, but it's all good. All right, guys, thanks guys for watching. We will catch you guys on the next video. See you guys. Peace.